flowy, it's bouncy and everything. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Lashonda Capri. As you can tell by the title of this video, I received a wig and I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. I'm starting to get into more hair reviews and more wig installs and stuff like that. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I actually found time now to do so. So I'm going to be doing a review and I'm going to be installing this wig. And the wig is by Sensationnel. It is their Empress Lace wig. I got it in the color 613. And this is the Trisha Empress Lace wig. Y'all know I'm a blonde head, so I had to get the wig in blonde. I was like, let me get me a blonde wig because I don't have me a blonde wig. This is like, to be honest, this is like my first blonde wig. So I'm going to be installing it like I said for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get straight into it. I'm going to take the hair out of the package. Show you guys what it looks like really quick. It does come with a little cap over it. I'm going to show y'all the picture on the wig. So the wig comes with the stuffing on the inside and everything. And it has 3 combs total. So you got 2 combs right here on each side. And then we have another comb right there at the bottom of the wig. And the lace on this looks really good. Like, wow. So let me go ahead and start installing this wig. Like, y'all, look at those curls. Okay, your girl is excited. So let me go ahead and start installing this. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video. And I'm going to get straight into it. Okay, y'all, I think I got the wig to where I like it now. I'm gonna go ahead real quick. Instead of doing my makeup on camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. This is the finished look. Y'all, I am absolutely loving this wig. Now, I do have some pros and some cons. I'm going to tell you my cons first. Now, I really don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. The only con would be that it did shed a little bit. This is what came out. As far as me combing it, this is all the shed that I had, which is really a little bit of shed for this to be a synthetic wig. I don't know if I mentioned that early on. This is a synthetic wig, so I'm pretty sure it might have a little bit more shedding. Now, my pros is that she is full. She is luscious. I like the way she is layered. I really don't have nothing bad to say. I wasn't going to add any baby hairs on this, but I ended up going ahead and adding baby hairs as well. So yeah, I really don't have any complaints about this wig. I'm gonna show you how long it is. This is about how long it comes to a little bit below my butt. I absolutely love this color on me, y'all. Like, look at these curls. These curls are like, they are so layered, and this is like really full, really full. This wig is so pretty, and I will link everything down below, so if you want to purchase this wig yourself, you can do so. Everything will be linked down below in the description area. She's soft. It's really, really soft, y'all. I'm in love. I have really no complaints about this wig. Like, this wig is bomb, and I'm glad that I got it in this color because I'm already a blonde head, and I was thinking maybe I should try some long hair with my blonde hair because y'all know I love my short blonde hair. But I was like, maybe I could play around with a blonde wig, and I am so happy I did because she is lovely. It's flowy, it's bouncy, and everything. I love this wig. I recommend this wig. This wig was super easy to install, y'all. This was the most easiest wig to install. You do not need to be a professional to install this wig. This was so easy. I am no professional at all, you guys, and look how easy this wig was to install. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. This is what she looks like up close. Super, super cute. So yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you made it this far in the video, leave me down some yellow hearts in the comment section down below. If you guys like hair reviews like this, let me know because I will keep doing them. This was super fun, and like I said, I absolutely love this wig. Your girl looking bomb. Like, who is she? Who is she? Okay, and y'all, yeah, so let me know if you guys like videos like this. I would love to do more wig videos for you guys. Your girl is feeling herself, like feeling herself too much. I keep looking in the mirror like, oh my god, like, is this me? Ooh, I mean, your girl is already pretty, but this wig just made me feel luscious, like, ooh. All right, y'all, let me get out of here. Let me stop, because I will look in this mirror all day long. So with that being said, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are following me on my Instagram. I will leave it right here. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.